Hair fashion hacks refer to tips, tricks, and techniques that can help you achieve different hairstyle, maintain your hair health, and keep it looking stylish and trendy. These hacks are useful for everyone who wants to elevate their hair game, whether they are beginner or an experienced hair enthusiast. Here are some hair fashion hacks that you may find helpful. Use dry shampoo to refresh your hair. If you don't have time to wash your hair, dry shampoo can be lifesaver. It can absorb excess oil and leave your hair looking fresh and clean. Spray it at the roots and work it in with your fingers for the best results. Curl your hair with a straightener. You don't need a curling iron to create coils. You can use a straightener to create soft loose waves. Simply clump a section of hair with the straightener and twist it away from your face. Then pull it through the straightener. This will create a natural looking curl. Use a silk pillowcase. Clipping on a silk pillowcase can help prevent hair breakage and keep your hair looking smooth and shiny. The silk is gentle on your hair and won't cause friction like a cotton pillowcase can. Create a day hair mask. You don't need to spend a lot of money on hair masks. You make a on with ingredients you already at home. For example, you can mix honey and olive oil for a moisturizing mask or avocado and eggs for a protein rich masks. Use a microfiber towel to dye your hair. Regular towel can be harsh on your hair and case freeze. A microfiber towel is a gentler and will help absorb excessive water without causing damage. Try a half up, half down hairstyle. If you are looking for a quick and easy hairstyle, a half up, half down style is a great option. Simply pull the top half of your hair back and secure it with a clip or elastic. This will keep your hair